we got the New York Knicks color sprinkles. Nice. Well, you know, Disney is always a great vacation place. Orlando is actually, but Disney World is the ultimate place to bring your family to really enjoy yourself. And a little off time right now for basketball, so I want to come out and really enjoy myself here. Well, New York is the best city in the world. I mean, hands down. And to be associated myself with the Knicks and playing at Madison Square Garden is the ultimate goal for myself, a dream come true for me. You know, so I think now it's just about applying some leadership, really getting ready for a great season, and see if we make the playoffs. Well, I think we'll do good, man. I played with Melo for several years, and back since high school, we go way back. So to have the thoughts of him playing with me in New York would be a great feel for us. But obviously we don't know. Nothing's done yet, so we just have to make sure we stay focused on the team that we have at hand and attack it that way. We're going to do pretty good. You know, guys are in early training, working out already, which is a great sign for us. So if we continue to keep working with that type of effort, we'll be in good shape.